Hey guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is rock guitar secrets, tight timing. So what is this all about? Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy with a free member account or a premium member account to get deeper into guitar playing. So what are we talking about today? How to have the really tough how to get a really tight timing, because in rock guitar the timing and the tight timing is so extremely important. You can play just a few notes. If you are tight as your ass, then you're gonna be the hero on rock guitar. If not, it's just just wobbling around. That's what we don't want. So this tutorial is about how to get this really tight timing. And even if you're an experienced guitar player and you've never did this before, please do this exercise. I needed to do them myself after I finished my studies, and I really needed to start with the really essential notes. The essential notes, like the really basic. If you cannot do the basics really tight, you cannot play with a really good timing. So the first thing you need to do, we don't go on the fretboard today, because this is about feeling the beat, and the whole body has to work. So the first exercise is just 1, 2, 3, feel the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, feel it. Also with your picking hand. Once you feel the beat, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then bam, on one, exactly on the one, I'm using a D5 chord here. But you could do this with any chord, with any drums, but this is with a D5. So 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also stop exactly on the 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See? I mean, head banging is really work. If you want to do the head banging, that really works, Well, you probably get a headache after a while, but feeling the beat and really get your whole body feeling the rhythm, and then get your whole system exactly on the wash. That you also hit all strings which are needed exactly on the 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. That you exactly hit the stuff then. And also exactly stop the 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I stopped exactly on 4. Also do the proper damping technique exactly on a time thing of your choice. Let's do on 1, stop on 2, 3, and stop on 4. Let's see if no, that's too stressful. Let's do on 1, stop on 3. No, let's try the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And stay relaxed in this. Okay? And if it's boring just doing one chord, in this case I'm just moving the D5 here in the 5th fret, then in the 7th fret, you make this little variation. See? Really simple, and really be buff, really hit the strings hard and get your whole system in time. That's really the main thing you need to do. Okay, so that's a really basic thing, just to hit chords where you want. Now also practice the offbeats, meaning Now we just played on beat, also play the off beats. So the most common one is you play a chord on 1 and on 2 and so 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3. Same thing again. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4. Now there's a problem. Since when you're playing rock guitar, the chords are all mostly downstroke when you're on the basis of 8s. So that means you need your body to understand that even you don't see my foot here, but my foot is going fully with the beat. The off beats, the foot is going up, but your arm is going down, and you need your system to understand this. Okay. Yeah. Now let's do a more complex thing. We do 1, 2, and then 4 and then we have a 1 bar rest. So 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 1. And at the beginning you really need to count the stuff and really feel this stuff, okay? And so on. Okay, so if you're ready with that, you could add a delay, set exactly on the beat. Then you're gonna sound awesome, you know, because you're extremely tight. Your delay doubles up what you're doing. Let's see how that sounds. Yeah, see, it doubles up what you're doing, but you really have to be precise. Now the next thing is also a basic thing, but that's really the qualm in rock guitar, the damped bass note. This one here. You play straight at 8s, ta, ta, like a machine gun, ta, 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 ta. Okay? Also feel it in your body. See? When you're precise, you switch on the delay if you want. And you're gonna be doubles up your sound. And now you play the chords from before and fill the empty spaces with a damped bass, and then you sound awesome. I mean, precise, tight. That's what we all need in rock guitar. So you see, we're doing just the basics. We're doing on beat, off beat, 8 notes, but they have to be really tight, and this is still basic stuff. It already sounds the way it should. Now we're adding 16 notes. These are double as fast as the 8 notes. Like if you do whatever, if you do fill-ins. something like, since we are in D, it's 3rd fret, 5th fret, 3rd fret, 5th. Try to play this in 60 notes. 60 notes is 4 per beat, so with the body, daga, 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 daga. Adapt to the beat. Or anything you want. You can also play like it. Play with palm mute or play with hammer on pull off. Also, very important, just play the bass 60 notes. Get the feeling of 60 notes, but still having the beat on, you know. And also switch between 8 notes and 16 notes. Now we put all together, and this is 95 BPM. Also try with other speeds. Let's do that quickly, slower for the beginners among you, because every tempo feels different. So I'm zoned in 95. Probably I'm gonna have difficulties now. So I pretty much put it in the delay on 85. Same thing on 85. Pick up the tempo with your body. See, feels different. Or let's try 105 as a contrary now. Okay, so it's faster. How this works. It's really extremely important in rock that you're as tight as possible. There's no laid back playing in rock or playing front. Just be exactly on the point. That's what makes the big difference. And the nearer you are to that point, the better your precision level is. You know, 100% is like tack, 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 really on the point, and really need to train this. And the best way to do that is to feel it with your body, you know. It's not like listen and try to and then forget to breathe, or your foot doesn't move. Try to get your whole system in the groove, and then it goes automatically. And all these little movements, which you probably, I'm not playing much here on the fretboard. That's what I'm doing. Zoom in on the fretboard. It's about having your whole system on the beat, pick up the beat, and then once you have these basics in, like which I just showed, then you can go further, and you will discover that you find those basic figures everywhere. Like if you do soloing or stuff like this. What is this number 105? You know, like if you do solo. thing again. You know, the same rhythm figures, but your whole system needs to learn how it feels, and then you can start to be creative just by using these simple figures, and then you're gonna be as tight as whatever you want, and that's what we want, you know, guys. Okay, yeah, that's all, and even if these are basic figures, even you're an advanced player, this will help you a lot to become more precise, because I know, because I didn't do those exercises, and I finished my master degree without ever doing those exercises, and my recording sounded like shit, because I didn't have a precision level of 100%. And in rock, if you're 90%, you're just wobbling around. You're not the tough guy you want to be in rock guitar. Rock guitar has to be on the beat, on the point. Okay, I'm gonna make 3 tracks of this, 85, 95, 105, plus tabs of the exercise which I just showed, and they will be available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. So please join there and download the stuff with the premium membership account. You can also join with a free membership account and follow my activities there, because there's the only social media stream which me and Dr. Pink are still feeding. Good, so me and Dr. Pink are saying goodbye, and we're gonna play a little bit for you at the end as say goodbye.